How to use Discord bots. Want to make your server more fun, functional, or just plain awesome? Discord bots can help with moderation, music, games, polls, and more. And today I will show you exactly how to use them. Let's dive in. First things first, find a bot you want to use. Go to trusted sites like top.gg, discord.bots.gg. Search for a bot based on what you need, like ME6 for moderation, Dino, Calboot, or Groovy style music bots. Now invite the bot to your server. Click the bot you want. Tap invite or add to server. Log into Discord if needed, choose the server and authorize the bot. You must have managed server permissions to do this. After adding the bot, go to server settings, then roles. Find the bot and ensure it has the correct permissions like managing messages or kicking users if needed. Use the bot's commands. Each bot has its own prefix and commands like !help or /commands. You can often type something like /help or visit the bot's website to see the full list. And that's how you use Discord bots to level up your server. They are powerful tools that helps automate, entertain, and moderate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.